Hello and welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video we're going to talk about this kind of artwork and how you can create it in Adobe Illustrator. Now this is a distorted text and the distortion is applied to several letters and they are all distorted in different ways. To do this we're going to use the free transform tool, but first of all we need the text. And I've got it prepared up here. So this is still live text, and with live text you can't do it. So you have to go to type and then create outlines. Like so. Now we've got the outlines and they are still grouped. So let's go to Object, Ungroup. And now we've got the single letters. Now to do this, you need the transform tool, which is here. If you don't have the full tool panel, go to Window, Toolbars, Advanced, and there you have all the tools that are currently installed. So let's go here. And you might have seen it that for this tool, there's also a small panel with options, which is not there. So let's first select something and then go to the tool again, but still it's not there. The panel is gone. Now the thing is that panel might be hidden. Most of the time it's hidden behind the tool panel. So there we've got it. In order to prevent that, the best method is to dock the tool panel. So you can take the tool panel and dock it there. And then you see it gets shifted to the side and there we have the little options panel. Now when you use the free transform tool, you actually don't need this option panel. It's much more comfortable to use it, the free transform tool with this panel, but you don't need it. Let's take a look at a simple rectangle to see that, and let's make it actually a rectangle and use the tool. So what you can do in order to not use the panel is just, you see, when I get over here, then I can apply the normal transformations. Let's undo that. In order to get the distortions, what you need to do is click and then immediately press the modifier keys. In this case, it's Command or Control on Windows, and then you can distort. And let's undo that. If instead you press Command Option, then you can make this kind of distortions. And when you press Command Option and Shift, so click, press the tools, then you get this kind of distortion, the perspective kind of distortion. So but let's use the panel. Now to do this to the text, you select the text and then the tool. So let's press the letter E on the keyboard and there's the tool, and let's go down here. And then you can just grab the bounding box and then just distort. And then let's select the next part of the text and do some more distortions. And let's select some more text and do some more distortions, like so, and then yet some more, like so. So when you press the Shift key, you see you can move horizontally or vertically, like so. And then you go to the bottom line of text and apply the next transform, just like so. And that's pretty much all there is to this kind of text effect. But pretty impressive when you see it. So, like so. And it's just surprising how easy this is to create. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.